Hola amigos and welcome to this bus review from Chennai to Coimbatore. This is on board Intercity by Smart Bus which is operated by Swami Ayyappa Travels. Now we are at Coimbatore, the first boarding point at Chennai, and this Intercity by Smart Bus is definitely the Vistara of the bus industry. I'll show you why. On most of the metro cities, they have their own intercity smart bus lounge where the boarding point is miles ahead than other bus operators boarding area and waiting lounges. The full tour of this lounge is on the cards. The only minus is they have these lounges only at a few metro cities, and that too only at major boarding points like in Chennai, Coimbatore, in Bangalore, Madiwala and so. But still they are miles ahead than other bus operators boarding point. So come on, let's get inside the bus and check how the interiors are and how the beddings, service, lightings are. Well, the driver's seat needs a bit upgrade, but still not an issue. Let's see if I could ask for a cabin ride. Now the interior, wow, is well lit, looks very good, looks premium. Well, this is the berth. The berth looks clean, neat, well maintained, well cushioned. Time for departure, leaving Coimbatore, Chennai on time. Hopefully we would reach Coimbatore on time. Let's see how the journey goes. Well, if you ask me about any negatives or minus points of this bus, well, I will say two things. One, headroom. It was not even sufficient. I'm 5'9" and I was already hitting the top while sitting normally. And next is the leg room. I'm 5'9" and while sleeping, my toes were hitting that end, so I couldn't sleep well. So in case if you are 5'8" or 5'9", this is not the bus for you. The curtains, the windows are all clean, and being a night bus, I would prefer the luggage carrier over TV, and that is what it had, a water bottle holder, and it was good. And in total there are 3 AC ones for one berth, which is insane. And as usual, the reading lights don't work. The upper portion had a good material and it was very cushioned and very comfortable. The padding was good, and let's see what are the amenities provided. Due to COVID, no blankets are being issued, but still if you need a blanket, you can pay rupees 100 and get a blanket for the entire journey. Charging slot with USB port and cell phone. Well, sometimes it is hard to climb to the upper berth, but still it's good. When you have clean windows, views are good, the cruise is good on the GST road. As usual, 5 ml water bottle, sanitizer, surface wipes, and their book. And finally, after all the traffic jams, we have crossed the Chennai border, and now the mood lighting should be on and it's time to sleep. The only rest stop at night 2:15 a.m. on the Ulundurpet Salem highway. Here all the Swami Ayyappa bus travels as well as intercity travels stop here for night restroom breaks. So did some bus fanning and bus photos over here. Do see that. The price for tea, coffee, snacks and all are reasonable, and the toilet restroom is good and clean. So after a brief 20 minutes break, it's time to depart this Meena Bhavan rest stop on the highway. And unfortunately, even this time, the driver didn't allow me to sit on the cabin and record the cabin ride. So no cabin ride this time. So we are at Coimbatore now. We have arrived somewhere at Saivaba Colony, and we are on our way to our last stop, Marudumalai. And it was a good journey with them. The main USP of this travels is that the attender calls you 2 hours before your boarding point and asks whether you know the boarding point exactly where it is, or else they would help us with the exact Google Map location and help us to board the bus on time. Well, if you are in a new town, this would really help you a lot, and this is one of the reasons why I would recommend Intercity if you are traveling from a new location. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers, and bye bye.